Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope that you are fine today. So a question was asked from me, should students take part in politics or not? Opinion differs as whether students should take part in politics or not. Should students be involved in politics? Actually, being involved in politics really matters. The major responsibility of the students is to obtain education, since they are considered to be backbone of a nation or a country. In fact, participating in politics, their studies are badly suffered. It is observed that the students who take part in politics, they come into influence of politicians, and you all know well our politics and politicians. In Pakistan, which is our beloved homeland, unfortunately, the politicians are not well respected, reputed, and handled by educated people. If we see in past, most of the students became the members of different political parties. And this is politics which created groups and parties among the students, which led to permanent enmities, and they made quarrel one another. By this way, lots of students ruined their future and career. At that time, there used to be clashes with teachers, with security agencies, and thus eventually students were put behind the bars and they had to face trial. Lots of precious time was lost at that time, not only to those who were actively associated, but many innocent students who never desired to be involved in politics. Their studies were badly suffered. So my dear students, never involve yourself in politics when you are in first year, when you are in second year, and if you are in college life, if you are in university life, because you are the backbone of nation. You are to change your nation, you are to work hard for your nation, and you are to bring impact in your nation. In Pakistan, there are lots of politicians who use you for their own wishes. In college life, you just spend 2 years. And after 2 years, your studies, when you don't study, so your future, your career is totally disrupted, is totally destroyed by politicians. Politics is good, but politicians are not good. Our Pakistan needs educated politicians, and we are to be educated. If we work hard, if we study today, then we can lead our nation. We can work for our Muslims, the Muslims of Kashmir, the Muslims of Chechnya, the Muslims of Palestine. At that time, we will be able to do work for them. And if we don't work hard from today, so we would never be able to do anything. So my dear students, never involve yourself in politics. It's not time to involve yourself in politics. It's the time of your education. Education should be first priority. First, students should get education, and then they can provide education to other students.